So right everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be giving you my weekly Forex technical analysis update. And yep, I've got a winning trade which is AUD/USD. I'm going to talk you through it, the reason why I took this trade. But before I talk you through it, I just want to say subscribe to the channel, leave this video a like, and remember man, I'm doing weekly videos update every week. So there's lots of trade setups I'll be putting out similar to like AUD/USD. And the good thing about it is that I leave my support and resistance levels. If you take these levels down, trust me, just wait for the market to come to those levels and see how it reacts. You see a lot of trade setup happens around them. So let's get into it straight away with AUD/USD. So funny thing is AUD/USD wasn't on my watch list for this week, but the good thing about it, like I just said, is my resistance level and support level. You can see the market came up to this resistance level right here, and it failed to break it. Straight away I noticed we had a candlestick reversal pattern, which is the pin bar, which I've highlighted right here. So just on this trade here, when we had the pin bar happen, so the next candlestick started to act bearish, and this candlestick here was the reason why I got in. Because we go into the 1 hour time frame, we see more candlestick reversal patterns happening, and this is the importance of trading from a higher time frame and working your way down to a lower time frame. So we had these two candlesticks here. This pattern here, what is it like? We have this bullish candlestick followed by this bearish candlestick. Once they're both around the same size, this is a good idea when the market is going to reverse. So this trade worked out pretty fine, and I end up making around 65 pips. And what I'm doing now is starting to make my stop loss around 15 pips above the last wick. So just to give it a bit more breathing space, 10 pips was, I felt like I was always getting stopped out, and then the market will always go in my favor. But with extra 5 pips, it gives it a bit more breathing space for the market to move around, so you won't get hit when the market decides to stop hunt. So this trade worked out perfectly. There you go, people. I'm putting out videos every Monday with my trade setups, what markets I'm looking at, my support and resistance levels. So I advise you, tune in every Monday, just have a quick look at my levels, what I marked out, and just wait for the market to play around it, and you take it from there. You see this trade setup, then we take it. And funny enough, I'm going to look at Euro/AUD. Remember what I said on Monday about the trend lines? I don't really trade trend lines, and I'm going to show you why. So this is Euro/AUD. So remember before I said, right, this was a good trade to take. So what I did, I just highlighted this short position here, didn't take this trade, and just see how it played out. And as you can see, we were hit by here, that stop loss right here, and this trade wouldn't have really worked out, to be fair. So this is one of the reasons why I don't really do trend lines. And you can see the break of the trend line, and then we had the retest, and it pushes towards the upside. So with your AUD, that trade didn't work out, but remember, we didn't take it. This is the whole reason why I don't do trend lines, because I don't really have a consistent win rate with when I do trend lines. But another trade what I did wanted to take but I didn't take was USD CAD. Remember what I was saying on Monday's session, on Monday's video? I do like this trade for a break, but then again, I saw potential in for a move towards the upside. And if we did take this trade, I would have took it from this spinning top here. It would have worked out. We would have made around 34 pips. As you can see, it hit with a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, 34 pips. And look, then it pushed back down towards the downside, but also came back up towards the upside. So USD CAD is a bit tricky right now. You can see it's broken the support level, but also the next few 4-hour candlestick session has closed back above it. So it's in no man's land for me right now. So with USD CAD, we're going to look at that on Monday and see how it plays out. See what movement it has made. So right, that's the video, people. That's it done. That is just a weekly update on AUD/USD. The trade setups, what I put out on how they done. As you can see, I've done AUD/USD. How I trade, once I make 50 pips for the week, that's me done for the week. I do not over trade. I am happy with 50 pips. So if you're an aggressive trader and you're going to continue trading, enjoy the trading week. And if you're a patient trader like me and you've done trading, I hope you earn some great pips, and I will see you Monday.